All right, guys, you are welcome to Tempo TV Plus. In fact, the way nowadays Nana Asante is performing so massively, it is very, very fantastic. I have this video of Nana Asante that I have to bring it on board so that viewers you can get to watch. But before that, if today is your first time seeing this channel, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that in times of any update, in case there is any update, you will be the first person to receive it. Kindly like and then share this video so that others can get to watch. Without wasting much time, let's quickly watch something here. Prophet Nana Asante was performing so massively. I don't know the kind of program Nana Asante attended that he performed so massively. In fact, I cannot sit down whilst listening to this song. I cannot. And I mean, I can't sit down whilst listening to this song. Guys, let us watch the video and come right now. Let us watch the video. So this is the performance of Prophet Nana Asante. In fact, there is this song that Prophet Nana Asante just released. It was a studio recording. In fact, the song is trending, and I would like you to go to YouTube right now. Kindly, subscribe to Prophet Nana Asante on YouTube and then Facebook. I would like you to kindly subscribe to Nana Asante on Facebook and then YouTube and enjoy the amazing songs, enjoy the amazing videos of Prophet Nana Asante. In fact, I have already subscribed, so any update that will come, I will be the first person to receive it. I will be the first person to get it. So what are you doing? Without wasting much time, kindly go to YouTube right now and search Prophet Nana Asante. Prophet Nana Asante on YouTube. Kindly subscribe. Whilst you are watching the video, whilst you are watching the song, then you leave your comment, bring your opinion or put your opinion at the comment section. Then afterwards, you have to like the video. After liking the video, kindly, share it with others so that they can also get to watch. Let us help each other. Let us, help promote Prophet Nana Asante. Do you remember that there was a time a song came out that was titled Nyame Abasanyane by Kweku Power, official Kweku Power? Could you believe that it was Prophet Nana Asante who composed the song for Prophet Kweku Power? So if you have to say that who is the owner of Nyame Abasanyane, the song that is trending, internationally, that is trending globally, Fire Oja is using the song, Prophet Ajagraja is using the song, State here, Prophet Dr. Ojaba is using the song. In fact, the song is trending, and to date, it is really, really trending. So one may ask, who composed the song for Kweku Power? So as I said earlier, Prophet Nana Asante, the leader of Amor Faith, he was the one who composed or he wrote the song titled Nyame Abasanyane for Kweku Power. And today, as I'm speaking to you, the song is trending globally. The song is trending internationally. Each and everyone, every Ghanaian citizen is using the sound or is using the song. So Prophet Nana Asante, in fact, the wonders Prophet Nana Asante is performing nowadays, it is very, very fantastic. So without wasting my time, for the last time, I would like you to go to YouTube right now, search for Prophet Nana Asante, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and then bring your opinion at the comment section so that at the end of everything, you will not just listen to the song, but after listening to the song, you will be blessed. Thank you very much. But before today I leave, Dr. Ojaba, Senior Pastor Afaweti Nai Ashamwa, popularly known as Dr. Ojaba. We already have, Dr. Ojaba, who is popularly known in Ghana here. And then if you come to African Faith Tabernacle Church, of which many people call it or term it as Odifo in Cancer Church, we are having Nai Ashamwa Wete, popularly known as Ojaba. Ojaba 1. He is celebrating his birthday this coming Sunday. So happy birthday in advance. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Nai Ashamwawete, aka Ojaba, African Faith Tabernacle Church, Ewutubreku Central Region, Ahintia Galilee branch. Happy glorious birthday to you. A happy birthday in advance to you. May God richly bless you, grant you with more life, more wisdom, more wealth. May you be blessed. May God bless your family members. May God, bless your wife, your children, and each and everyone behind you. Prophet Ojaba, or let me say Senior Pastor Alfaweti, he is popularly known as Ojaba 1. A glorious birthday in advance to you. This coming Sunday is your birthday. Thank you very much, guys, for having your time watching Temple TV Plus. Thank you. We shall meet the next day. I will end here so that we can continue to watch what Prophet Nana Asantê did at the program. Indeed, it was a fantastic program. It was so amazing program. And what Nana Asantê did will shock you at the end. Without wasting my time, let's quickly watch. I go by the name Nana Temple. God willing, we shall meet the next time. Let's quickly watch till the end.